ad set level.
Okay.
So as at this point.
Okay.
So again, so let me explain this quickly here. So like the simple structure is this is the campaign, then ad set, and then ad level. So by default, our budget is at this point. So just example, $10. Okay. So if you want to A/B test and include one more ad set, then for the second ad set, you need to include extra $10, then you can create that. Similarly, if you want to do another variation or ad set there, you need to select the third ad set with additional $10
Okay.
and then you can add. So this is basically the traditional model. So what you can do is this option again, the campaign level, and if we put at this point, so what we can do, we can add set, then add. And if I want to do the again the A/B testing of this one, so I can add another ad set with the ad with same budget $10. And similarly, again the ad set 3 with the one ad. So here you can see with this option we are only spending $10, but with this
Mm-hmm.
option we are spending the $30. So normally if we are testing the things at the starting point when we don't know much about our audience or anything, then we are like using this option. And once we at the scaling level or if we want to put separate budget for each of these, then we are selecting this first model.
Okay. So wait, on the campaign budget optimize, so when you put the budget on the campaign,
Yes.
how does it know how much to spend on each of these ad sets?
Okay. So first of all, in this one, so either you will get sales or not, it will spend $10. It will also spend $10. It will also spend $10. But in this one, so just example, if there are the more chances that this one is getting like the more clicks, more conversions, so might be out of $10, it will be spending $6 or $7 or even $8. If this one is the less effective, then might be it will be spending only $1 or $2. If this one is the least effective of all of these, then it will spend only like $1 or even it will not spend any amount because according to Facebook algorithm, there are no chances that it will get any conversion or anything.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why at the starting point, I recommend if you have the budget issues, that you can use this option. Otherwise, if you have ample budget, then you can use this option. Okay, that's clear.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
wait. Actually, let's go back to the board again.
Yeah.
So let me see. So if you can have multiple ads in one ad set, how would Facebook decide how much to spend on each ad, I guess?
Again, basically on the ad level, it will automatically decide. So just example, if this one have the two ads, one video ad and one image ad, and similarly this one also have the two ads, one image ad, one video ad, and similarly this one also have the two ads. Then just example, in this ad set, if this one is performing better, so Facebook will add the more budget to this. Similarly, in if this one will be performing best, so Facebook will add the more budget to this one. So in that way, basically in this process, Facebook automatically optimize your campaigns data.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, the ads manager. So first of all, it's asking for the ad set name. Again, if we are, let's suppose, running the different campaigns at the same time, and each of the campaign have the different ad sets, then we can basically name it. So again, for the naming conventions, I will send you the link. I have written an article on LinkedIn for these ones, so I will share that link as well, and you can also check that out. So normally what I am doing, I am normally putting the location that I am targeting in this ad set, then I am putting the age limits, then I am putting, so just example, the main interest online advertising. Okay, then the next one, what I want to achieve, this is conversion or destination basically. So I want to get the page likes. So here are the different options, the sub objectives that we discussed previously. So we have like messaging apps that we can drive to our ad for getting like, share, and comments, for getting calls, for website apps or page likes. So I am selecting the page likes option from here. So the performance goal will be maximize number of page likes. And for what page? This is the page that we want to get the likes for. Then after this one, so we have some of the options here. So cost per result goal, that is not available right now. When you will get charged, we will get charged based on the impressions. And based on the page likes, we don't have basically that option activated right now. Then budget and
Oh, is it
schedule.
this? Wait, why is it disabled again? Why is the option
Sorry,
disabled? Why is page like disabled?
because this is a new account. When
Okay.
basically you will start spending the money on that one, then this option will be available.
Um, Also, where was the option where you chose pay or wherever it
This
was?
one,
The
conversion location. This one.
Okay, then is this also disabled because the account is new?
No, no, this is basically our bidding strategy. Like our performance goal is to get the maximum number of page likes for this page.
Okay. Oh. So let's see. If you were to choose like something like this. So like in all the ad sets that you have, would you usually choose the same patient and the same goal?
No, 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 no. That's what I suggested at the starting. We need to first of all select our objective. What objective we want to optimize our ads. So right now you have selected the website. So if the performance goal will be to get the maximum conversions on our website. If you change the objective, then the other things will also change. So click on website, this option again, yes, and select any other option. So just example, the messaging apps, other options will also change. So like
Okay, but
this will be optimized for messages. Yes.
so like at your ad set you set at the campaign level you set your objective, then here you also set the objective again.
That was only the objective of getting the engagement. But right now we are at the sub objective.
Okay.
Yeah. This is
Okay, yeah,
basically
yeah.
again the destination where we want to drive the people basically.
Okay, so I think about this. So usually if you're like running a campaign, for like all the ad sets under a campaign, would you all have those ad sets have the same conversion location?
Yes, exactly. If we select any of the option and publish the campaign, then all other duplicates of that ad set will have that same option.
Okay. All right. All right. Yeah, we can continue. Let's just go back to the Facebook page or
Okay, sure. Because we were creating this campaign only for page likes. That's why I'm discussing these things. So once we will discuss all those basic points, then we will discuss the other objectives as well. And in that point, we will be only discussing what are the basically the differences when we will select these conversion options there.
okay.
Okay, then budget and schedule. Budget we have already selected at this point, campaign level. Now only the schedule option. So just example, if I want to schedule this for a 1 week, then I can put the time here. Then we want to add any spending limit here, we can add. Otherwise, there is no need for adding any spending limit. Next thing is the most important thing, and this is the like you can say all the campaigns performance based on this one. If your ads creatives are good, if your all things are good, but your audience is not good, so you will never get any sales, any conversions from that one. So this is the thing that first of all you need to like first work on that one. Like what is your basically the audience that you want to target. So first of all, the location in the audience controls. So which location that you want to target, like United States or any part of the United States, any city, any state, or even around the globe or any part of the world that you want to target, you can select here.
Okay.
Then if you click on more, so the minimum age 18 right now. If you want to change minimum age, so just example 25, you can put that. So exclude custom audience if you want to exclude anything. If you want to target any language, you can also select here. Main thing in the audience section is this one, audience advantage plus audience. We need to click on audience suggestions, and here custom audiences we will discuss that part like in tomorrow's session. I am just discussing these ones, but again for understanding these things, just explaining these things to you. So audiences, there are three types of the audiences. One is the core audience, second one is custom audience, and third one is lookalike audience. So these are basically the three types of the audience. Right now, we are at the first point of the core audience. Core audience is basically the research-based audience where we will be selecting location, age, gender, interest, behaviors, or demographics. So we are right now at the first step. So if we come back to at this point, so we have selected the location, then age. Again, if you want to change the brackets of the age minimum, maximum, you can change here. If you want to select any specific gender, you can select here. And this is the detailed targeting where we will select demographic interest and behaviors. So just example, I want to target small business owners. So here is the option available, small business owners. So also if you want to include the people that are interest, like first of all, again, the business owners as well, you can target them.
Hmm. Okay.
And if you want to narrow this audience with those people who are interested in online advertising, so online advertising, so you can select this one as well. Okay.
Okay.
So here, like you can see the narrowed audience is only 3.7 million. But if we exclude this option, so the total audience is 120 million. That's a very large audience. But we need to narrow it down to the people that are interested in online advertising. So here you can see out of 120 million, only 3.7 million left. So these
Okay.
are the basically the things that you need to research. This is not a thing like you can do on a surface level. You need to use like Google, you need to check the Facebook algorithm. You can check this browse option, and then from demographics, we have the different demographics available for each of the people. And again, you can check these things. This is the thing that you have a again complete research. Normally, if you are spending 1 hour for creating the campaign, so this is the process. Normally, we are spending 30 minutes, 40 minutes only on the audience research, like what is over the ideal client profile, who are our ideal clients, what are their interests, what are their demographics, what are their behaviors. We need to select all those options from here.
Okay.
Okay, so let's suppose this is the like ideal clients that I want to go for, small business owner or business owners that are interested in online advertising. Then the placement. This is the another most important thing, is the placement section. In the placement section, we can decide where we want to place our ads. So Facebook recommend advantage plus placement, and the second option is manual placement. We can go with the manual placements because we can narrow the things according to us. All devices, instead of that, if you want to run your ads only mobile device, you can uncheck that one. Sometimes we only want to run ads for desktop, we can check on uncheck mobile. So just example, I want to only run for the mobile devices. So I uncheck the desktop one. So these are the different options where Facebook will place our ads. So some of the option you can see, those are grayed out. So for
Hmm.
every objective that we will select at the starting, these things will decide based on those ones. Okay,
Okay.
like where we can place our ads. So just example, if I don't want to include my ads in the search results or any other place, so I can simply uncheck that ones. So after selecting these ones, there are some of the inventory filters. These are only like specific devices, operating system, if you want to run your ads, or if you want to run ads when people are only connected to Wi-Fi, you can use these options. These are basically the options for audience network. We are not discussing those right now. We will discuss those in the traffic objective. But right now, there is no need for these one, and these are also the grayed out.